Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to install Windows on VMware Workstation. If you want to run Windows 10 inside your current system without affecting your main PC, VMware makes it possible by creating a virtual machine. This is useful for testing, learning, or running different versions of Windows on the same computer. I'll guide you through the whole process in a clear and easy way. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. First, make sure you already have VMware Workstation and Windows 10 ISO file downloaded on your PC or laptop. If you don't, I've made a video on how to download and install VMware Workstation. You can find the link in the description below. Now open VMware Workstation. Click on Create a new virtual machine. You'll see two options, Typical and Custom. Select Typical and then click Next. Now choose the option Installer Disk Image. Browse and select the Windows 10 ISO file. Here VMware will ask for product key, username and password. You can skip the product key and password if you want to test it. Enter a username then click Next. Now give your virtual machine a name. I'll name it my Windows 10. Choose a location where you want the VM files to be stored, then click Next. Next, set the disk size for Windows. I'll select 60GB, which is enough. Before finishing, click on Customize Hardware. Select at least 2GB RAM and 2 CPU cores for smooth performance. Once done, click Close, then click Finish. Now VMware will create the virtual machine. After that, VM will restart and Windows will start installing. Now follow the on-screen instructions, complete the setup and soon you'll be on the Windows 10 desktop. On first start it will a little bit slow because it is download some files. And that's it, you've successfully installed Windows 10 on VMware. Now you can use Windows 10 inside your computer without affecting your main system. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.